This process is called photosynthesis. First, plants take in sunlight. It's like charging a solar panel.
What if I told you you can create videos just like this in 20 minutes and charge brands $500 to $1,000 per video? Now, here's the best part. You don't have to have experience, and these aren't just throwaway TikToks. These are long-form YouTube videos that have years of shelf life that can continue to make money for your clients. I'm Brittany, and for the last 3 years, I've created content that brands pay for. And today, I'm showing you a tool and a strategy to start your own AI side hustle. Oh, and stick around because I'm giving away 4 MagicLight Pro subscriptions to help you get started. And the details are going to be at the end of the video. Now, here's what most people get wrong. They're creating short form content that disappears in 24 hours. Now, don't get me wrong, it is great, but a TikTok, a reel, they can be gone. No shelf life, no long-term value. But a YouTube video stays and the view count keeps climbing. That's evergreen content. That keeps working for years. It builds authority, it drives traffic, and it makes money. This is a new concept and a new idea that I completely figured out. And brands are finally waking up to this. They don't want viral moments. They want content that lasts. And that's where you come in. Look at these brands. They have products, they have customers, but their YouTube channels, empty or filled with low quality content or low engagement. They know they need it. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, and people go there to learn, to research, to make buying decisions. The brands, they don't have time, and they can't afford a $5,000 video production company for every single video. So here's the strategy. You offer to create a content series for them. 1 video per week, educational, valuable, evergreen. Say, for example, we're going to use a supplement brand. You can do something like top 5 superfood for energy after 40. For a skincare brand, how to build an anti-aging routine that actually works. Or maybe for a fitness brand, the truth about protein powder for women over 50. You can charge $500 to $1,000 per video, depending on how well you script it and the value you provide. 4 videos a month equals $2,000 to $4,000 per client. 3 clients equals $6,000 to $12,000 per month in reoccurring revenue. But wait, it gets better. You can monetize the channel for them. Once the channel hits 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize. Okay, so now they're making money from ads. And once they have a library of content, you can help them land brand deals and sponsorships. And you can negotiate a piece of that as well. So you're not just selling videos, you are building a revenue generating asset for them. And you can do all of this with one tool. And let me show you how. The tool I'm talking about today is called MagicLight. And here's what makes it different. It creates long form videos up to 50 minutes. Most platforms cap at a few minutes, but MagicLight doesn't. It keeps characters and branding consistent. It writes the script for you with one simple idea. And I'm going to walk you through creating a real video for a real brand, and you're going to see just how simple this is. Okay, so let's go. All right, let's say I'm pitching micro ingredients. They sell organic supplements, superfood, protein powders, vitamins, and they target health conscious people. I check their YouTube channel and they have some content, but it's not optimized and it has low views and it's inconsistent posting. So I'm going to create a video for them called 5 Superfoods Every Woman Over 40 Needs for Energy and Longevity. Now this targets their core audience. It's educational and it's valuable, and it naturally leads to their products. So let me show you how I'm going to make this. Okay, I'm logged into MagicLight. Let's create this video. I'm going to use story to video because this is the feature that lets you input a short idea and MagicLight expands it into a full script and video. Now, this is a secret sauce. You don't need to be a scriptwriter, but you need a concept. I'm going to show you how to level it up and have an even better script than what's provided. So here's what I'm typing. A health expert explains the top 5 superfoods every woman over 40 should include in her diet for sustained energy, mental clarity, and longevity. She covers maca root, turmeric, ashwagandha, and cacao. For each superfood, she explains the benefits, how to use it, and why it matters for women in this age group. The video ends with a reminder to check the description for high quality organic superfood sources. And that's it. One paragraph. Magic Light is going to turn this into a full 5 to 10 minute video with a complete script. So since this is for YouTube, we're going to choose the aspect ratio of 16:9. And the duration, we're going to go with 5 to 10 minutes. This is long form content and we want depth. So for style, you can choose between realistic or anything else, but let's stick with realistic today because this needs to look like a real expert, not a cartoon. We're going to select the C-Dance model 2.0. Now this is critical because C-Dance gives you the most realistic motion and facial expressions and the data of this video. Now we're going to use the language of English and let's click generate. So now I'm going to click AI generate and let Magic Light work its magic. Now that takes about 30 seconds to a minute depending on the length. And sometimes it could even be longer, but it's totally worth it. Now step 2, we're going to review the storyboard. Now look at this. Magic Light just created the entire video structure. The scene 1 is the introduction, why superfoods matter for women over 40. Look at scene 2. And then scene 3, and it shows all of the scenes all the way down to the conclusion and the CTA. Now check the description for trusted resources. Now let me click on one of these scenes so you can see it in detail. Now look at this. It generates the visual, a health expert holding the product, and it wrote a script. Check it out. Now this is good copy. That's better than most brands write themselves. Now, if I wanted to tweak anything, I'd change some of the wording and adjust the visual and the branding. I can do that right here. But honestly, this is just a tutorial and it's already client ready. So let's move to the next step. So next step is 3, the voice in music and the final touches. So now I need to choose the voice. Magic Light has a ton of options for this video, but I want a warm, authoritative female voice, someone who sounds like a trusted health expert. Okay, perfect. That's the one. Now, background music. I want something calm, uplifting, not too distracting. And then subtitles, you'll want to turn those on for people who watch YouTube with captions, and it helps with accessibility and SEO. So if Microgreens wanted their logo in the corner or a custom end screen, I could do that right here. But for now, we're going to keep it simple. Now, here's why brands will love this. Number 1, it's evergreen content. This video will work for years. It's not tied to a trend or to a season. It's timeless. Number 2, it has SEO value. YouTube is a search engine. People are searching for superfoods for women over 40 right now. And this video will rank and drive traffic for months or even years. And it's authority building. This positions micro ingredients as an expert in their space, not just a product seller, but a trusted resource. And number 4, monetization potential. Once the channel is monetized, they're making money from ads on top of product sales. So, of course, number 5, you get brand deal opportunities. With a library of content and a growing audience, they can land sponsorships from complementary brands. So you can pitch this. You're not just selling a video, you're selling a long-term content strategy that generates revenue, and you can charge accordingly. $500 to $1,000 per video is a steal for what they're getting. So, all right, the video should be ready. Let's check it out. Let me play the first second so you can see the quality.
Food is perfect, but some are essential for your daily energy and health. First,
Put spinach in a jar with water. Place it in sunlight. You'll see bubbles forming. That's oxygen being released.
Now look at that. It may not be a $5,000 video, but it's professionally produced and it has a consistent character. It's smooth, realistic motion. It has a professional voiceover, clean subtitles, and it has engaging visuals. Time to create 15 minutes. So what do you charge? You charge $500 to $1,000. Now, here's what the client gets. Evergreen content with years of shelf life. This is how you build recurring revenue. Now, of course, I know you're already wondering, how do I get clients? All right, I'm going to show you how. Here's how you make money on these videos, and here's how you get clients. So step 1, you want to find brands with a weak YouTube presence. All you have to do is Google brands in your niche and check their YouTube channel. If they have low views or inconsistent posting or not content at all, that's perfect because that means they need you. Step 2, we're going to create a free sample video. Yep, you're going to create a free sample video for them. And that's the key. That's it. Don't pitch, we're going to show. So use MagicLight to create one video for their brand. Make it specific, make it valuable. Remember, the scripting is the most important part. And step 3, we're going to send them a simple value first email. And take a look at an example of an email. So a quick gift for the brand name. Then you say, hey, name. I'm a content creator that specializes in long form YouTube content for health and wellness brands. I noticed brand name has an opportunity to grow on YouTube. So I created a sample video for you as a gift. Insert the link to the video, no strings attached. If you like it and want to build a consistent content strategy, I offer monthly packages for videos for whatever your price is. Would you be open to a quick 10-minute call? Best, your name. And that's it. Simple, direct, and value first. And with this strategy, you can expect a response rate of about 40 to 50% and a close rate of about 50%. So think of it like this. 3 clients at $2,000 to $4,000 per month. 6 clients, that would be around $6,000 to $12,000 per month in reoccurring revenue. That's a real side hustle. And that's life-changing money for a lot of people. All right, remember at the beginning, I said I'm giving away 4 MagicLight Pro subscriptions. Well, here's how it works. It works for new or existing accounts and because the credits are stackable. So here's what I need you to do to enter. Comment below and tell me what type of brand you want to create content for. Health, fitness, beauty, a local business, a digital product. Number 2, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the winner's announcement. And number 3, click the MagicLight link in the description and sign up for a free account. You don't need an account to receive the Pro upgrade. Then I'm going to randomly select 4 winners from the comments in 1 week, and then I'll announce them in the pinned comment. If you win, all you have to do is send me the email you used to register on MagicLight, and then I'll get your account upgraded. Now, this is your chance to test MagicLight Pro with 20,000 credits, and that's enough to create dozens of videos and start landing real clients. So drop that comment right away and let me know what brand you want to work with. All right, so let's recap everything. Long-form YouTube video content equals evergreen value for brands. MagicLight creates 5 to 50-minute videos from one simple idea. You charge $500 to $1,000 per video, and only 3 clients equal $6,000 to $12,000 a month in reoccurring revenue. You pitch with a free simple video and comment below so you can be one of the 4 people who get the Pro upgrade. Now, this tool is MagicLight. The link is in the description. Free credits to get started, and once you're a paying customer, I even have an added discount. But here's the bigger picture. I'm not just teaching you a tool, I'm showing you a real business model. I've closed several deals to the point to where I have started an AI and creative agency, and I'm building a complete system with pitch templates, pricing guides, client onboarding, and strategies to help you organize the whole thing. Link below. So there's 2 links. Try MagicLight and get your free credits and join for the full system. So this is real, this works, and I've done it, and you can too. So stop waiting for the perfect moment. Start creating. Drop that comment for the giveaway. Subscribe so you won't miss the winner announcement. And I'll see you in the next video where I'll share my full story of how I went from a complete newbie to having a successful AI and creative agency. I'm including all the mistakes I made so you don't have to. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's grow.